Van life is about freedom and endless possibilities. You can go where you want, when you want, without any restrictions. But traveling in a van takes careful planning and preparation. A little prep work makes your trip smooth, enjoyable, and fun. This guide will help you with the basics. We'll cover packing, route planning, and vehicle maintenance. We'll also talk about safety and essential checks. We've learned a lot on the road through our experiences. We want to share our valuable tips with you. Let's get you ready and excited for your next adventure. Packing for a van trip is like packing a small house on wheels. You need to fit everything you need into a tiny space. It can be a challenge, but we have some tips to help. First, make a detailed checklist. Write down everything you need to bring. This includes clothes, food, toiletries, and cooking supplies for your trip. Don't forget your entertainment and electronics. Next, use storage containers. These will help keep your van organized and tidy. They also make it much easier to find things quickly. Label your containers so you always know what's inside. Secure everything properly before you drive off. You don't want things falling around while you're on the road causing a mess. Use bungee cords, straps, or nets to keep everything securely in place. Exploring the United States is an adventure like no other. From the bustling cities to the serene national parks, there's so much to see and do. Make sure to plan your route to include some of the country's most iconic landmarks. Don't forget to check the weather and road conditions before you set off. Maintaining your van is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable journey. Regularly check your oil, tire pressure, and brakes to ensure everything is in top condition. Keep a well-stocked toolkit and spare parts handy for any unexpected repairs that might come up. Remember, a well-maintained van is a happy van, ready for any adventure. In addition to the basics, consider investing in a reliable roadside assistance plan. It can be a lifesaver when you're in remote areas, far from help. And don't forget to clean your van regularly, both inside and out, to keep it feeling like a cozy home. Your van is more than just a vehicle, it's your home on wheels, your sanctuary. Treat it with care, and it will take you on countless unforgettable adventures. Traveling as a woman in a van can be an empowering and liberating experience. However, it's important to take some extra precautions to ensure your safety and comfort. First, always let someone know your travel plans and check in regularly. Trust your instincts and avoid isolated areas if you feel uneasy. Keep your van well maintained and stocked with essentials, including a first aid kit and self-defense tools. Join online communities of female van lifers for support and advice. Remember, confidence and preparation are key to enjoying your van life adventure to the fullest. Stay safe and have fun. Planning your travel routes is essential for a smooth and enjoyable van life experience. Start by researching your destinations and mapping out your route. Use apps and GPS devices to find the best roads and avoid traffic. Consider the distance, road conditions, and available amenities along the way. Plan for rest stops, fuel stations, and overnight parking spots. Always have a backup plan in case of unexpected detours or road closures. Stay flexible and be prepared to adjust your route as needed. This chapter summarizes the essential van life travel tips covered in this video. First, careful planning and preparation are key to a smooth and enjoyable trip. Pack efficiently using storage containers and secure everything properly. Regularly maintain your van to ensure it's in top condition. For women, take extra precautions for safety and join supportive communities. Lastly, plan your travel routes meticulously, considering road conditions and amenities. With these tips, you're ready for a fantastic van life adventure. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace the freedom, the unexpected moments, and the beauty of the open road. Your van life adventure awaits. Safe travels and happy exploring.